Here we have two more logarithmic equations that we are asked to write without logarithms. So part A, it says log C equals log A plus 3 log B. So we're looking to undo the logs. We cannot undo logs until we have a situation where we have on the left hand side log something equals on the right hand side log something else. So we need to put all our efforts at the beginning into just having a single log on that right hand side. So you're going to have to take 2 steps. The first step is going to be to use the third law on that 3 log B. So I'm going to write log C equals log A plus log B cubed. That's just simple third law of logs, putting the multiplier into the power, and then I can use the first law on this. I can say this is log AB cubed. So log C equals log AB cubed. So now we're in a position where we can undo the logs. And what you're actually doing, the operation that we are doing, is this raising 10 to the power of both sides. We need to raise 10 to power of both sides. So there's a quick way of doing it, and there's a quick way of doing it, and there is a slow way of doing it. The quick way of doing it is just saying, well, look, if log, it's all in the same base, all in base 10. If log C equals log AB cubed, then C equals AB cubed. That's the quick way. The slow way would be to write something like 10 to the power log C equals 10 to the power log AB cubed, and then you'll still end up in the same place. So I'm just going to write C equals AB cubed. So you should get very comfortable. The more practice you do, you'll be able to just do that anyway. But just remember, this is the operation that we're actually doing. So C equals AB cubed, and actually that we don't need to go any further than that. We have an equation. It's the same equation. The same values would make it true. And there are no logs, so it's finished. Part B. Log G equals 2 log D minus 1. So we're still looking to attack that right hand side, and you're definitely going to have to bring this 2 into as an exponent, as a power, and we're going to have to do something with this 1 as well. So log G equals log D squared minus, so we need to think of a way to write 1 in log base 10. So 10 to what power? Oh, 10, you need the power, the answer to be 1. So if it was log, as in the power you raise 10 to get 10, well, that's 1, isn't it? So log base 10 of 10 is 1. So we can replace the 1 with log 10 minus log 10. And now we're in a position where we can use the second law of logs on this right hand side. So that would say log G equals, just get rid of that, equals log D squared over 10. Just like that. And now we can undo this log left hand side equals log right hand side by raising 10 to the power of both sides. So that would say G equals D squared over 10. And we don't need to go any further than that. That is finished.